Hi there. Today in this short video tutorial, we are going to learn how to rename a file or folder with a simple keyboard key. To rename a file, what we do, we right-click on the file or folder. Then show more options. Finally rename. But from today only one keyboard button will be enough for you. So, simply select the folder and press F2 from the keyboard. It is ready to be renamed without so much clicks. Now by this way I can also do for the rest files in this window. So, simply pressing F2 will help you to rename your files easily without any hassle. If you didn't know this trick before, then please hit the like button. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.